Can we swap headphones left and right on iPhone? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can swap headphones left and right on our iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that we will do is we'll head over to our settings first. Tap on your settings, and after you're on your settings, scroll down. Now if we head over to our sound and haptics, there is only option to change the sound of our ringtone, change it with buttons or not, the haptics and stuff like that. So there is a headphone safety option, so let's head over to that, and there you'll notice that there is no option. So we can just head back, and there you'll see personalized spatial audio. Tap on it, and let's tap on personalized spatial audio, and it will just give you a spatial audio, nothing more. You cannot swap anything with that. So let's head back. After you're there, let's head over to accessibility on our settings, and on accessibility, if you scroll down, there is an option called our audio and visual. Let's head over there, and after you're there, you'll notice that there is different settings for our audio. So yeah, you can just choose whichever you want. So there is one option called balance, where you can balance between left and right channels. There is no exact swap, but if you want, you can balance your headphones using this. As you can see, I can adjust the volume balance between left and right channels. So yeah, I hope this video answers your question that there is no option that allows you to swap your headphones left and right on your iPhone, but what you can do is you can balance your audio volume between left and right channels. So yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.